Okay, testing. Okay, here comes the part two of our video, right? Now, this time we talk about a principle of something we call the principle of comparative advantage. Okay, now this is a very important topic. Okay, now you need to make sure you recite this principle because again, right? Now, while the mathematics is quite easy, okay, so many of your 師兄 forgot to quote this principle and lose mark in exam. OK，好嘛，我哋先望下咩東西嚟先。Here, the principle of comparative advantage states that if so sorry, not countries. OK, again, 62777. OK, if economies, okay, specialize in producing products that they have comparative advantages in. The total output of all economies will increase。好啦，佢講緊啲乜嘢咧？佢話原來所有經濟體系如果 focus 做佢有 comparative advantage，即係咩意思啊？Here，which means they make the goods that they are cheaper to make。如果個個都整佢平啲嗰隻，OK，the total output of all economies will increase。所有經濟體系加埋嘅 goods 就會多咗啦。OK，here it says when countries specialize, they will lose self-sufficiency in certain products. OK，deeming trade necessary. OK，第一件事啦，if we specialize, OK，sometimes partial, sometimes complete specialization, we will lose some product, which means we have to import. OK，小心啲啊，係個 total output of all economies. It doesn't mean output individually would necessarily increase. 呢啲 extreme case 嚟嘅。總之大家記住係 total output of all economies increase. OK，好嘛？好啦，你見啦。Numerically. Okay. Now, if you remember, this is from our last video. Okay. This is from our last video. Okay. Here, let's try. Let's recall. Country A has in producing shoes. Okay. Now let's write down. Country A comparative advantage in shoes, while country B, they have comparative advantage in food。我睇有冇錯先，冇錯先，唔係喎，倒轉咗喎，係咪咧？Country A in shoes, okay? Yes, country A in shoes. So here, let's try the case。我哋試下啦噃，我哋試下啦噃。Case number one, both country, okay, split half half。OK, 50-50，咩意思咧？係嘛？They split the resources 0.5 unit for food, 0.5 unit for shoes. So what will happen? Country A, the output, since they spend 0.5 on food, OK? So here 呢度啦，發生咩事咧？10係咪？如果一個 unit 係20啊嘛，then 0.5 10 food plus，因為佢仲有另一半啊嘛，20 shoes。OK，while country B here 又係啦，一半一半啦，so they have 2.5 food and OK 4 shoes. So what happens here? Let's see. Let's see. We will have this situation 12.5 food, okay, and 24 shoes, okay, this is the total, okay, 呢個總共啦。Now let's try the situation B, number two, okay, when they focus on comparative advantage. By the principle of comparative advantage, when country focus on making the thing that they have advantage in, okay, they have advantage in, okay, they have advantage in. So let's see. let's see what will happen，好嘛？好啦，呢度啦。You see country A. Country A, they are focus on making shoes. Okay, so what should happen here? A, okay, A would make 40 shoes plus 0 food. Okay, 0 food. While B would make 5 food plus 0 shoes. So you see here we have 5 food and 40 shoes. 你阿 Sir，我點知邊個多啲，邊個少啲啊？ Because you see here, right？係咪啊？12.5 food and then here 5 food。你話阿 Sir 佢唔係多啲咩？Again here 嗱呢個咧就係呢個principle 難嘅地方啦。嗱 in DSE usually both of them would increase。嗱40肯定大過24啦。係咪啊？但係你話阿 Sir 唔係喎，唔係大過12.5喎，係咪啊？嗱，remember in DSE usually this one would be also larger than this one, okay? But in some extreme case， 你見到呢度啦，咦阿 Sir 唔係喎 ，here a difference of 7.5 food, okay? 7.5 food, okay? A difference of 7.5 food, okay? 好嘛？ So how do we reconcile this one? Okay, now this one.You can actually convert it into shoes, okay, by using their own here, by using the country's own here, the opportunity cost, okay, 好嘛 ？But I think it's a little bit too complicated here, okay，好嘛？嗱，所以嗱，喺呢度特登整咗個 case，你見唔係好 work 嘅，but don't worry, okay，because this one again is the most advanced case，but I don't think DSE will appear this one。嗱嗰陣時擺嘅時候，我諗住做一次，但係諗下 DSE 應該唔會做呢個，太深啦，好嘛？OK，好嘛？嗱，instead。Let us then take a look at some DSE questions. Okay, let's take a look at some DSE questions and see how it works. Okay，嗱，做咗條係可以計到呢個數嘅先，係嘛？做咗條可以計呢個數先。Yes, let's go to page 5 first。我哋 skip 緊少少啊。Let's go to page 5. Let's work on this question. This is 2006 question 44. OK， 好嘛？佢話啦呢度。The output of DVD and MP3 per unit of input 即係 resources 啊，一個 R 啦，講得簡單啲 ，one resources are shown respectively. If both countries have 3 units of inputs and and complete specialization take place according to the principle of comparative advantage, we need to calculate the total output. OK， 好啦 ，then。First of all, in order to apply the principle of comparative advantage, what do we need? We need to calculate the comparative advantage, right? So let's try country A first. Country A. 好啦，你話呢度3個 unit，但係唔重要嘅。Since here, basically, for country A, 10 DVD equals to 1 hour equals to 30 MP3. While country B, 8 DVD equals to 1 hour equals to 12 MP3. OK， 咁即係咩意思啊？原來啦 ，the opportunity cost of one DVD， 如果做一隻 DVD 咧，咁就10隻 DVD 就30啦，咁一隻點啊？除10咯 ，equals to 30 30 divided by 10 equals to 3 units of MP3. Okay, while the opportunity cost of producing one MP3, the opposite will be 0.33 units of DVD. While for country B， 好啦，而家 country B 會發生咩事咧？好嘛 ？Country B, the opportunity cost of producing one DVD， 8隻 DVD， 12隻8，咁點啊？除8咯。係嘛 ？12 divided by 8, 1.5 units of MP3. While here, opportunity cost of one MP3, the opposite, 0.67 units of again DVD。好啦，望唔望到 who has comparative advantage? Okay, we'll see that country A has comparative advantage. Okay, the comparative advantage is making MP3 係咪啊？佢 MP3 係用少啲 DVD 喎。While here, country B, the comparative advantage is definitely on DVD. OK，佢話啦 ，Now we follow the principle，我哋跟呢個 principle 啦。What does that mean? It means that country A would focus on making MP3. One unit of resources make 30 MP3. So when they use up all 3 units of input, what would they do? Okay, here they can make 30 times 3, 19 units of MP3. While for country B, okay, they will focus on DVD. Here, 8 unit times 3, 24 DVD. Okay, so answer will be here. Okay, will be here. 好啦 then you see 24 and 90. 我哋試下呢條 work 唔 work 先 Now, let's say the country, okay, instead of doing complete specialization, they do split half half. OK， 而家啦1.5做 DV， 1.5做 MP3. So let's see what will happen. 1.5啊嘛 ，so 10 times 1.5 plus here plus 30 times 1.5. So here 15 DVD, 45 MP3. Well for country B 嗱呢度啊8乘 1.5 加12乘 1.5. So here 12 DVD plus here let's see I think is 18 MP3 again 今次又唔 work 啦真係麻煩想搵條 work 嘅俾你睇都唔得添 So here 27 DVD plus 63 MP3 OK 好嘛？你見阿 Sir 唔係喎，佢多咗幾個 DVD 喎。Again, right? If you convert this free DVD, okay, let this free DVD into something M, you will see that this one, and when you add up together, it will still be smaller than 90 MP3. Okay, but let's not do that. OK 好嘛？嗱呢條問嘅重點係呢個，諗住揾條 work 嘅俾你睇都唔得添，可惜。OK, anyway. Let's try the questions we have on our hand. Okay, 好嘛 1996. Okay, here. Okay, the amount of output produced by country A and country B. Okay, given a unit of input 呢度啦，即係啦，一個 R 可以做幾多啦 ？Okay, so let's see. The opportunity cost 我哋呢個要計，我哋先睇咗 absolute advantage 先。Country B enjoys absolute advantage in producing both goods。我哋望下咯，係咪啊 ？Country B 嗱，既然 absolute advantage 點睇啊？打直睇50 larger yes。40 also larger yes. Country B can make more goods with the same amount of resources 係喎，的確係兩個都啱喎，好嘛？兩個都啱喎，好嘛？好啦，跟住第一個啦，嗱 we need to calculate，OK，又係啦，咁啊計數啦噃，好嘛？計數啦噃，嚟啦噃。For country A again 30 garments equals to 1 hour equals to 20 suits. Okay, while here for country B, 50 garment equals to 1 resources equals to 40 shoes. Okay, 好嘛？你見到呢度啦。Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, so for country A, the OC of making 1 unit of garment. OK，呢度係30G 20S，即係咩意思啊？20除30咯，will be here 0.67 units of of shoes. OK， while here OC of making 1 shoes is the opposite, 1.5 units of garments. OK， 好啦，計埋 country B 啦。Country B opportunity cost of 1G 咁啊，即係 of 1s 啦，下面就好嘛 1g again 50 40好啦，而家啦50g 你要係變1g 啊嘛，咪除幾多？除50咯。40 divided by 50 equals to 0.8 units of shoes. While here 倒轉50 divided by 40 equals to 1.25 units of garments. 所以見唔見到啊？ Now here, country A can make garment cheaper 0.67啊嘛。while country B can make shoes cheaper 平啲勁嘅1.25同細過1.5啦。So here you will see the opportunity cost of producing shoe in country B is 睇下先 shoe is lower 啱嘅低過佢嘅係嘛？ making shoe is lower than country A。lower by 0.25，OK， 好啦。If trading opportunity open up， 嗱呢個你唔好諗呢個住。而家 country B 既然佢係 focus on making shoes，OK，focus on making shoes， 佢係整鞋咯，咁即係佢出口鞋定入口鞋啊？冇理由我整完再入口噶嘛。So this one they actually will export shoe。係嘛？我而家整咗鞋，我冇理由再入口噶嘛。So unfortunately, this is not correct. 1 and 2 only. OK, 1 and 2 only 係嘛？因為我整鞋，我冇理由再入口鞋嘅戇居噶嘛。OK，好嘛？OK, so the next question here. OK, according to the table. OK， 嗱又要計數啦。呢個 comparative advantage 冇辦法啦。OK, it's just very mechanical calculation. OK, so let's try them. OK, for China. OK, opportunity cost of one DVD. OK， 一隻 DVD 嘛，係 here right output per man hour 即係1個 hour 啦，係嘛？大家都係用1個 hour 啦。OK 嗱，10隻 DVD 有30個 VCD， 咁一隻 DVD 即係幾多啊？OK，30 divided by 10。OK，3 VCD。OK 係嘛？3 VCD。While which 嗱，其實咧唔使計嘅，倒轉就得㗎啦。係嘛？因為嗱，你見啦，一啲都係3V，咁即係1V 係幾多？1V must be the opposite 0.33 D。OK， 好嘛？While for Japan，OK，here 20D 20V，OK，very simple。1D equals to 1V，1V equals to 1D。Finally for the US here。1D equals to 50 divided by 30 equals to 1.6 V. Wow, 1V equals to 0. 呢係咪啊？我冇計錯啊？5除7，因為1.67。OK， while here it should be 0.6 D. Okay, so let's see. China making VCD with the least amount of DVD. So China has comparative advantage in producing VCD. OK 嗱，所以呢個唔啱喎，呢個唔啱，呢個 VCD 先啱喎。While you will see Japan, OK, Japan has comparative advantage in producing DVD. Yes， 係咪佢放棄最少 VCD 喎？ So yes, D is the correct answer. OK, D is the correct. US, you see they have nothing. OK, they have nothing. They are in the middle， 係咪？啱啱喺中間，乜都冇啦。In this case. OK， 好嘛 ？So what about next question? Here you will see. OK, shows the number of man hour。嗱，今次條咧有啲倒轉咗嘅，有啲倒轉咗嘅。So my suggestion, you pause the video and try to do this try to do this on your own, and then you can see whether you get it or not. OK， 好嘛？嗱，assuming you have paused the video. Assuming you have paused the video. So let's see which of the following are correct. OK， 嗱，其實 absolute advantage 係最易睇嘅。OK， 嗱 unlike what we have in the previous questions, you will see here given 1 hour， 今次倒轉喎。It is about 1 T。OK， 一個 T 要用幾多 hour 喎？嗱，其實仲簡單嘅。嗱 ，take a look。With the by producing same amount of output， 一個 toy。 country A is using less，見唔見啊？佢用少啲 man hour 喎，so this is absolute advantage 係咪啊？佢用少啲 resources 可以做同樣嘅 goods 啊。Okay, again, country A has absolute advantage in making watches because again, it makes the same amount of watches with less resources. 所以 country A 啦，係嘛？country A have absolute advantage in producing both goods 啱喎 ，not only 呢個唔係 only 啊，而係錯嘅。One is correct，OK，one is correct，OK。跟住啦，comparative advantage 嗱要計數啦，冇辦法啦。So in this case, how do we calculate the comparative advantage？好啦，嗱呢個咧就嗱，我哋要寫翻出嚟啦。For country A，for country A，好啦，而家你見唔見到啊？Very funny，right？One T equals to one R，一 T 就係一 R。好啦，同樣啦。Here for country A，one W equals to 3R。Okay, suppose these two conditions, do you see how we can connect these two together? Yes，我可唔可以將個 T 同 W 黐埋一齊啊？暫時未得 ，but how? Yes, we can equalize the resources，係咪？我哋可以將佢嘅 resources equalize 翻啦。So here, how do we equalize？好啦，一 R 點對三 R 啊？乘三咯。So 3T equals to 3R equals to 1 W。啊，即係咩意思啊？原來咁啊，country A，okay, to produce 1 unit of watch, you are giving up 3 units of toy，好嘛？明唔明啊？So what about country B? Country B follows the same logic. Here，望望啦。1 T equals to 2R. Here, 1 W equals to 4R. 好啦，2R 4R 點對比啊？2T equals to 4R equals to 1 W. So here for country B 係咪？原來啊 country B 又點啊？For country B, 1 watch equals to 4。咦咩啊？唔係 sorry，1 watch 2T 倒轉咗啊，2T 兩個胎啦。So do you see country B actually can make watches cheaper？所以阿 B 其實而家係點啊？B country B they have a comparative advantage in making watches because they are giving up less toys 係咪啊？佢係平啲喎。阿 B 係咪 country B comparative advantage in the production of watches exactly 應該係 watch 喎係咪啊？睇多次先，驚睇錯係啦 watch 喎。OK 好嘛？In producing watch so answer 1 and 4 OK 1 and 4 OK 好嘛？就咁計嘅啫。原來咁嘅。You see, boys, now up to now, do you see this chapter? The easy part is because it is so formulaic。係咪做嚟做去都係三幅皮啊？OK，好嘛？嗱，唔好講咁多啦，我哋快脆做多幾條 past paper 啦，好嘛？OK，here。Suppose there are two country A and country B. Okay, output per unit of resources 又係一 R 啦。Here given 1 R. Okay，好嘛？So country A，OK 係咪？Country A has comparative advantage in producing，咁咪計下咯，係咪？Again, country A we see the condition is 2x equals to 1 R equals to 4y，係咪？佢講明啦。一個 unit of resources，OK，係咪啊？Output per unit of resources，OK。So here country A 1x equals to 2y, while for country B，OK，for country B 3x equals to 1r equals to 1y，OK。So here 1x equals to 0.33y，OK。咦，咁即係點啊？你見到啦。I think country 其實先，佢係 country A 啦。Here you see country B 係咪做啊 X 平啲啊？You see country X has an comparative advantage in making X。好啦，咁但係倒轉喎，一 X 係2Y，咁其實倒轉即係一 Y 等於幾多啊？倒轉咯 0.5x。While here 一 X 等於0.33Y，即係一 Y 等於幾多啊？3x 咯。So here do you see country A actually make Y cheaper？係咪佢整 Y 其實係平啲啊？ So here country A should have comparative advantage in making Y， 係咪肯定唔係 X 啊？OK，because country A has a lower opportunity cost in producing 1 unit of Y， 係咪啊？Then country B 唔係同自己比，係同人哋嘅國家比，係咪？Then country B，OK？好嘛？嗱，所以呢個話 same amount of resources can produce more Y 呢個咩嚟㗎？呢個係 absolute advantage 嚟嘅噃，OK？好嘛？So here C is the answer。OK 係咪？嗱，見唔見啊？計嚟計去三幅被係咪啊？我哋仲有4版，繼續咁樣計嚟計三幅被，好快嘅啫，捱多陣捱完㗎啦，好嘛？OK，then here next question shows the amount of toys and garment per unit of input 又係一 R 啦。係咪又一 R 啦 ？Okay, so which of the following is correct? Okay, country A gives us a smaller amount of garment in producing 1 unit of toy。咁即係咩意思啊？係咪其實即係 country A 係嘛 ？Country A has a comparative advantage in producing toys。計下咪知咯。OK， 好嘛？嗱 ，country A we will see that 10G equals to 1R equals to 40T。佢而家問咩啊 ？toy 啊嘛，所以我哋倒轉啦。1T equals to 0.25 G。OK， while for country B，OK， 5G equals to 1R equals to 10T。So here 1T equals to 0.5 G。咦係喎，啱喎。Country A when they make toy they are really giving up less garment. Okay, so actually this is correct. 好啦，望埋 B 啦。Opportunity cost of producing garment in country A is lower than that of B， 肯定唔會嘅。do you see right？一倒轉你就明㗎啦。Here 1G equals to 4T， 1G equals to 2T。Now do you see it is actually giving up more toy in order to make a garment. So this is not correct. Okay， 好嘛？Here use a larger amount of resources than B in producing 1 unit of garment。啱唔啱啊？望下先，係咪啊？ In producing 1 garment， 如果一個 R here 1 R equals to 10 garments。 1 garment is 0.1 G for country A。 好啦 country B 咧 country B 1 R equals to 5 G。 Therefore 1 G equals to 0.2 garment。 OK， 其實唔係喎 country A is actually 錯咗添，唔係呢個應該 R 嚟㗎 R 嚟㗎係嘛 country A is actually giving up less resources to make 1 garment， 所以唔啱喎，唔係 larger 喎，係嘛 ？And total output of toys in country A is higher than that of country B。 呢個唔知㗎 ，we do not know， 我都唔知佢係嘛 ？We only know per unit。So are you given 係嘛 ？Are you given how much resources？ 咁我話你聽 country A 同 country B 有幾多 resources 啊？冇啊嘛，係咪 ？You are not given， so you don't know total。你唔知佢 total spend 會使幾多啊 ？We only know per unit. We don't know how much they are spending. OK， so D also not correct. OK， 好嘛？好啦，跟住之後呢度啦。again 嗱。this time they give you the opposite。OK，opposite。哦，by the way，you see 係嘛？原來2010年仲有50條 MC 啊，有47條啊，你見到係咪啊？OK，only in DSE they change to 45 MC 係咪？原來以前咧係50條 MC 啊，係咪？Require here is the amount of resources required。OK，好啦，我哋望望啦。Absolute advantage 先。OK，absolute advantage definitely。watch that 嗰隻係咪 ？Definitely country X is using less resources. So here country X has absolute advantage in producing watches. Okay, what about comparative advantage? 咁啊計咯，係咪啊？ So for country X, you will see one watch equals to 2 resources, while here one orange equals to 2 resources. 哎，正喎，今次唔使對喎，係嘛？ So here one W equals to one orange. Okay, one orange. 我費事寫 O 字啲傻仔以為我寫咗0字落去啊。One orange 1 to 1. While for Y, country Y, one watch equals to 4 resources, and then one orange equals to 8 resources. So here, how do we balance them? 將佢變白 R 咯，白 R 2W 咯。So here you will see 2 watch equals to 1 orange. 1 watch equals to 0.5 orange. OK， 好啦，咁即係其實邊個做 watch 平啲啊？ It should be country Y 係嘛？ Country Y has comparative advantage。放棄少啲 orange 啊嘛。OK， 好嘛？ So answer would be B here。哎呀，係咁做嘅咋，係咪好悶啊？做嚟做去都係咁嘅咋呢課。OK， 好嘛？ So here the following table shows the amount of food and clothing that country A and country B can produce with all their resources。小心啲啊，跟住係 all 字嚟㗎。This one is a all。點解要慳呢個 all 字啊？ Do you know whether this is 1, 2, 3, etc.？ 知唔知1定2定3啊？We do not know， 今次唔知係幾多啊？好啦 ，whenever we do not know how much resources they use, that means we have no idea about absolute advantage。我哋唔知邊個係 absolute advantage 啊 ？Because again, 30, 40, 20, 20. You are not given how much resources， 我計唔到佢嘅速度啊。We cannot calculate their speed， 我係計唔到佢速度嘅，我係計唔到佢速度嘅。OK， 所以唔使問啦，呢個肯定錯嘅，呢個肯定錯嘅，好嗎？好啦 ，then what about comparative advantage？What about comparative advantage？ 咁啊嚟啦噃，講嘛嗱，好得意啊今次嗱，唔使驚你阿 Sir，all resources 唔係一個 resources 喎 ，the same，the same，OK？ 咩意思啊？ For country A, 30 food equals to all resources equals to 20 clothing。好啦，其實唔重要嘅，見唔見啊 ？1 F equals to 0.67 C。While for country B, here, 40 food equals to all resources equals to 20 clothing. So here, 1 F equals to 0.5 C. So you will see, country B has an comparative advantage in making food. 係咪其實佢係 food 喎，應該係 food. They have comparative advantage. 好啦，既然係 B 係對 food 嘅，咁 A 即係點啊 ？A should have a comparative advantage in making clothing，係咪啊？Country A has comparative advantage in producing food，唔啱，好啊。Country B will export clothing，諗下先。Country B they focus on making food，因為頭先啊，the principle of comparative advantage。If they have comparative advantage, they should focus on making food。咁我哋又整 food，跟住再有 export clothing，冇可能噶嘛。OK， so the answer would be B， 遲啲先解，好嘛 ？B 遲啲先解，好嘛？再下一條係咪下條 video 先解，好嘛？下一條 video 先解，好嘛？喂，你 long quest 做唔做啊？好多條喎，真係。不如做晒 MC 算啦，好嘛？long quest 我哋留翻學校做啦，好嘛 ？OK， 好嘛？好啦 ，sample paper，sample paper。OK，if country X is more productive in producing every good than country Y， 佢啦 productive 啲，係咪先做得快啲？即係咩意思啊 ？productive here，it means absolute advantage。OK， 好嘛 ？So here。absolute advantage. Let's see which one. The gain will be greater. 嗱呢個唔知嘅，我哋未學嘅。 好嘛？Mutually beneficial is still possible，係嘅，呢個啱嘅。我哋遲啲學下。when we talk about gain from trade，OK？When we talk about gain from trade，OK？你會見到 absolute advantage not very important about trade。Trade is more about comparative advantage，OK？好嘛？We import every 冇可能 import every 啦，係嘛？We have a lower opportunity cost in producing every good 係冇可能㗎。我哋頭先計過啦。opportunity cost。You have lower cost in one reciprocal 倒翻轉上下一定下一個係貴過人嘅，係咪 ？OK 好嘛 ？So B 好啦 ，assume both country A and country B produce and consume good X and good Y only. If country A can produce a unit of good X with less resources than country B， 又係 less resources， 即係咩意思啊？又係咯 ，absolute advantage。OK， so here country A has absolute advantage in producing good X。冇啦，完啦 ？No， we don't know other things。唔知啦，唔知啦，隔離嗰啲全部唔知。No more information. Remember, absolute advantage, comparative advantage, they have no relationship。唔知嘅，講一樣俾你聽，就係淨係知一樣嘢。OK，no other things，no other things，冇噶啦，好冇？好啦，then next question here。Consider the trade of good between two countries. Okay, suppose we know that opportunity costs of producing the good, without knowing the term of trade. Okay, we 呢條遲啲先做啊，好嘛？呢條遲啲先做，我 skip 咗佢先。This one we can only do after we learn about the gain in trade. Okay, the gain in trade. Okay，好嘛？遲啲先做，好嘛？Has absolute advantage in producing good X。OK，好啦，咁即係咩意思啊？The country can produce a greater amount of good X than another with the same amount of resources。係咯，with definition 咯，definition 咯。Do you know anything about comparative advantage? No，係嘛？Do you know anything about absolute advantage or disadvantage in another good? No。OK， may import good X from咦，咪先？then and sorry。Then and 咦？我漏咗個字喎呢個，我漏咗個字喎。Then another something is very important. Okay. Then another something. Okay. If this one, the country can produce a greater amount of good X than another country, then this is correct. But I think A is not another country. I think this one is another goods. Okay. 係咪 this one another goods？咁就錯啦，對唔住。If this is another goods。Okay, then another good 咁係錯嘅，OK？Because the answer should be this one. The country may import 係嘛？我有 absolute advantage，唔代表係嘛？唔代表我哋 export 佢㗎，OK？Again, more on that later. Because remember, according to the principle of comparative advantage, import and export is determined by comparative advantage, not absolute advantage. So here, the country may import goods from international market， 呢個應該啱嘅，應該 D 先係答案啦，好嘛？OK，睇先 long question，long question，算啦，long question 唔做啦，好嘛？如果唔係條片太長啦，好嘛？OK，嗱，so for the next video，for next video。We're going to start to break down into different types of question, okay, of how do we calculate gains in international trade. Okay, 好嘛？I'll see you in the next video then. Bye bye.